are there. The sun and 8 planets together is called as solar system. Sun. Everybody know regarding the sun. Sun is a source of our energy. In this sun, what it will give for us? Heat as well as light. Why it will give heat and light? What type of gases are present in this? Hydrogen as well as helium. Two gases are present. Because of that two gases, it will give for us heat and light. And this is about sun. And next planet. Now you see this is a Mercury. And this is a Venus. This is our Earth. Mars. Jupiter. Saturn. Uranus. Neptune. So these are all totally 8 planets are there. Totally 9 planets are there. 9th planet is nothing but Pluto. It was blasted and it was mixed in the form of gases in the Neptune. Now each and every planet I will explain. Okay. Now regarding the sun completed. Sun is a source of energy. Next planet is nothing but of Mercury. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These 4 planets are very near to the sun. So that's why they are called as hottest planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Next you will see Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these 4 planets are very far away from the sun. That's why they are called as coolest planet. What planet? Coolest planet. Next, regarding the Mercury, we'll see this Mercury is very near to the sun and it is a red planet. And this planet does not having the satellites. So this is regarding the Mercury. Next, Venus. Venus is a hottest planet, brightest planet, and another name for this planet is nothing but a morning and evening star. Okay, regarding the month of May or April, sunrise, sunsets, we can see this Venus. Venus is the second planet and it is the hottest and brightest planet. Next, okay, now next planet, we are living on this planet. This planet is nothing but of Earth. Total, all members, all continents of the human beings, we are staying on this Earth. Why? On our Earth having the air, water, atmosphere as well as suitable environment taking place. So next, Earth. Earth around, satellites are revolving. What is our satellite? Moon is our satellite. Okay, moon around these satellites it will be revolve. Okay, so around this Earth, moon it will be satellite. Next planet is nothing but of Mars. This Mars is a red planet and it is also very near to our sun and it is a red planet. Okay, in 2012, they are planning to, some of the scientists they went here. Okay, less amount of some atmosphere is there in that Mars. Okay, after some days afterwards I can explain in the classes regarding this Mars. Next is nothing but of Jupiter. Jupiter is a largest planet, very largest, very huge in size it will be present. Nearly like our Earth planet, 1500 planets easily it will be fixed inside and it will come outside. That much enlarged will be present. So that's why Jupiter is a largest planet. Next planet is nothing but of Saturn. Okay, Saturn having the rings and it is the coolest planet. Okay, next it is a yellow planet. Yellow planet. Next, Uranus. Uranus is also very coolest planet. From that we'll get the uranium. Okay, now next Neptune. Neptune is the last planet and it is also very coolest planet. Now I'll say regarding the distance. Distance between our Earth and the Sun. Okay, now our Earth is the third planet. Our Earth is a third planet. The distance between the Sun as well as Earth, how much distance means nearly approximately 4.5 trillion billions kilometers. Even though we are having lot of heat, you are getting. Okay, now that is the distance between the Sun and the Earth. Then what is the distance between our satellite? That satellite is nothing but of moon. This moon, it will revolve around the Earth. Okay. Next, the distance between the Sun as well as the moon is nothing but of 3,84,400 kilometers distance will be present. So this is regarding the Sun as well as 8 planets, whatever you are seeing. This is called as solar system. Next, one more thing, what is meant by planet? Planet means nothing but when the sun rays falls on that one only, we can see that reflection. Okay, now, so without its sun, it will not emit the light. Thank you. I hope everybody, while doing this activity, you can understand this is solar system. Thank you for giving this valuable opportunity for biology madam.